how to check your fluids under the hood. So let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the hood. And open the hood. Alright, so here we have our engine. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna work with the motor oil. So to check motor oil, you should always check motor oil when the car is cold. Okay, so usually it's first thing in the morning. So get yourself a rag or a napkin or something so you could wipe off oil from the dipstick. So I'm gonna put you guys here, and we're gonna grab on the dipstick, take it out, wipe it off with the rag, and put it back in till the end and get it out. And now we should check the reading. So reading is right here till the middle. Okay, so this is the correct level. Let's check oil color. Color is nice and clean, so oil shouldn't be changed, and we're all good. Put it back in. If you need to add some oil, a little bit low, then this is the cap you're gonna open and pour in some oil. You're gonna use 530. This is the velocity of oil, the thickness. So close this. Okay, next thing right here is our coolant. This is our coolant reservoir. Okay, this is full sign right here, so the coolant should be up to this level. Be careful, don't ever open this cap or radiator cap if the car is hot, because there is the pressure builds up in the system, and you might open this thing and get boiling antifreeze in your face. Obviously you don't want to have that, so that's something to avoid. This, never open when hot. If the car is cold, no problem, open it, pour in, fill up, good. In some extreme situations, if you don't have a coolant but your car is overheating and there is no other option, you could use pretty much any type of liquid, water preferably, but yeah, antifreeze is the way to go. But extreme situations, water will work fine. Next step, brake fluid right here. This is our brake fluid reservoir. We should see, I believe somewhere here. Okay, we have max sign till here, and we are able to see the fluid from here. So the thing is, we have to have fluid there. Okay, we have to make sure it's there. If you're missing some fluid, it means you're leaking somewhere, and if you're leaking somewhere, you might lose brakes. So that's something to keep in mind, and be careful. And the brake fluid doesn't evaporate, so it's 100% leak. Okay, and yes, you're gonna use DOT3 type brake fluid. Next step is windshield washer fluid right here. So this thing goes on water, on windshield washer fluid, whichever option is good for you, use it. Again, anytime you need water, anytime you need to fill up, even if you were driving, no problem, just open it, pour in, and you're all set. This way here is our transmission cap dipstick. Okay, so this thing you check when the car is hot. Okay, the car is supposed to be working and hot. At the moment the car wasn't working and it's not hot, so it's not really accurate reading right now. But this is, again, this is a transmission dipstick. If you have to check, put it in. So, and it's gonna be the same story like engine oil. There are readings on the dipstick. So if the car should be normal temperature operating, turn the car off or leave it running, just come to the motor, but it's better to turn the car off. Turn the car off, come here, take it out, wipe it off, put it back in, take it out, and then look at the reading at the end. And that's the way to check the transmission oil. Okay, it should be red and it should be on a level, and you will see the level on the dipstick. Next step, power steering fluid. I believe this car doesn't have a power steering reservoir, since this car has electric power steering pump. Okay, so it doesn't have any fuel, power steering liquid, and which is actually good. Less things to worry about. Also, this car has differential oil and transfer case oil, but that's something the mechanic should check because we are not able to check it from here. And Freon. Freon is something you shouldn't be working on in case if you are not familiar with cars and you are not mechanically inclined. You know, that's something just to avoid because right here we have what is this, high pressure hose for the AC system for Freon, but again, leave this to mechanic. It's also under pressure and you might damage yourself or damage car, and that's not cool. Okay, so guys, hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.